and I show you just other terminal browser, the Lynx browser. The Lynx browser is now on the first DVD of Debian, I think. So this is why I also recommend to learn the Lynx browser. It needs some time, and you see the W3M browser has a transparency as well, and this is black. So here's the same with space, jump a page down, and then here we see stable release, and here we see testing distribution, and you see the highlighting is interesting here. And with the tabulator key you also jump here the links. So let's go to the CD in this case as well, and then enter and page down with space, and then here we have the list. And here the key bindings are a bit different, but just use the tabulator key to jump between the links. And here we have the net install Jigdo. And to download here something in this terminal, it's different. You type just the point key or the dot key, and then you get a list which program to use, and you can use W3M for download, or you can use wget or wget, sorry. And you can jump up and down with JK, with the VI bindings. J is down, K is up. And let's use wget. For simple downloads, I use always wget. And then you see this was very fast. It's just opening wget and downloaded it very fast. Also here with the links, I can go with J go down, and with K go up. And then net install template, again, type point or dot, and then go down to wget. And then we will see this needs more time. And here is the progress bar of wget, and here you see the other output as well. And then it's switching back to Lynx browser. So, and then that's it. And with Q we can quit, with question, or with Shift Q is directly quit. So now you see the output here, and let's clean the screen, ls-lhtr, and now we have Debian testing net install and DVD with 2 files, template and Jigdo. So, and now we have mounted the DVD. So let's use the Jigdo command. Jigdo light